Hey everyone, I'm back with another video, and now I'm going to be testing out different markers, pens, and watercolor brushes in this beautiful Mint Princess bullet journal. This is a really awesome and unique bullet journal in that it has coils. Unlike a regular Leuchtturm bullet journal, you have more customizable options such as changing the color of your paper or changing the color of your coils, which I find really awesome if you want to make pink pages or craft color pages. So you can have different journals for different things with different pages, so that's really cool. Also, the pages itself are very thick and sturdy. Nothing bleeds through. Throughout the whole entire video, I keep checking, and nothing bleeds through. Even watercolor doesn't bleed through. It's really a beautiful journal, and I'm going to just be speed drawing through the whole testing process. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like these.